Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I've got my rear axle. We are going to remove the carrier from the case. The first thing we're going to do is take these side bearing caps. These have markings on them. They are side specific. You want to make sure that you keep them in the orientation that they are in the case when you remove them. And you want to keep them on the side oriented at the same. They are a machined surface. You'll remove those bolts, remove this strap or the upper collar. Try to keep all the hardware together. It just makes it easier when you go back to install it. We're going to lay it in the orientation at which it came out of the vehicle. We'll remove the other side. There are a couple of these washers here. We do sell these here at Kaiser Willys. With a couple of wrenches or a couple of pry bars, you'll get underneath the case and you'll go ahead and just pop it out. Here you go. You've got the rear axle. This is a Dana 41. You can see this ring has actually got some pitting, a little bit of chips and so forth, so we will be replacing that. All in all, it looks pretty good condition. The spider gears look really good, so we'll probably be able to salvage those. But I hope this helps. This is how you remove your carrier from your case. Thanks for watching.